Welcome to Cool Guns. Let's check out the SOG Pentagon OTF. This knife definitely has some heft to it, and it's out the front. It has a very nice lockup system. As you can see, it's kind of flush at the tips when it's out. When it's in, you can see even parts that are not the blade go back down into the handle. So it does have great lockout capability and strength. One thing that's interesting is, I don't know if you can see it, but they've figured out that the sides of the blade, that from about right here and then right here, it must wobble back and forth and it dings up the blades a little bit, but I don't think it sacrifices any usability, and maybe in the future they'll rectify that situation. But it does have a very nice strong retraction and extraction. So if you're looking for a strong OTF knife with some heft to it, the SOG Pentagon OTF is definitely one that you should check out. Have a great day.